closure in Swift is a self-contained block of code that can be passed around and executed later, much like a function without a name. By default, closures are non-escaping, meaning they are executed within the lifetime of the function they are passed to, and do not persist or get stored beyond the function's execution. Since non-escaping closures are guaranteed to complete before the function returns, Swift allows you to use them without any special syntax. For example, a closure passed to a function that performs a task immediately is non-escaping because it runs and finishes during the function call. On the other hand, an escaping closure is one that can be called after the function it was passed to has returned. This usually happens in asynchronous operations such as network requests, timers, or completion handlers, where the closure needs to be stored and executed later once the task finishes. Because escaping closures outlive the scope of the original function, Swift requires you to explicitly mark them with the escaping keyword to indicate that the closure will be held and called later. When using escaping closures inside a class, it's crucial to manage memory correctly by capturing self-weakly or unowned to avoid strong reference cycles, retained cycles that can lead to memory leaks. For instance, in a networking function that fetches data, the completion closure is stored and executed after the function returns. This means the closure escapes the scope of the function and must be marked with escaping to inform Swift about this behavior.